Okay, I was behind on sharing my March Hero Arts kit because the month of March was real crazy around my home. But this that I have here is my April Hero Arts kit, and this one I have opened. Didn't wait till May to open it. I have opened, and I am sharing it here so that way hopefully I can get to making things with the April kit, and then at some point go back and make things with my March kit. But one of the items that it had as an add-on was this liquid watercolor, and it is in purple. And I wanted to try to use this. I love purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors, and I'm going to try to use this watercolor drops, liquid watercolor, in some way, shape, or form. I have to see if I look for inspirations on how to use it. So that was in my kit this month. This was an add-on to the kit. Let's go this way. I love this pattern. I think it's so cute. And this one is called, it's called Decorative Edge Fancy Die. Decorative Edge Fancy Die. I thought it was real cute to put on the borders of my card. And another add-on was this die that's called the Papel Picado Confetti Die. Papel Picado Confetti. And see how pretty that is? Just to add, I saw this in a video the other day, and somebody had cut it out on black cardstock and put some really bright paper and showed through these little cuts here, and it looked beautiful. I can't remember, I might have been on Hero Arts blog or one of their team designer from the team, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I loved it. I had not seen it done that way, and I thought it was beautiful. And let's see what the card kit has this month. I have not opened this kit because it just arrived the other day, and fortunately this one did not sit in my room for weeks before I was able to look at it. Thank goodness. I'm hoping things will settle down now for the month of May, but nevertheless I have not been making as many, or don't plan on making as many videos as I have been. I'm kind of wanting to slow down and just enjoy creating, and I'll still make videos, but I just really want to enjoy making and creating things with my items, and I'll share those as I go. And let's see here. This is, what is this? It looks like it's ink, but it's got some other things in it. So it's got 3 cubes of ink in green, red, and yellow. They don't have on their cubes, they're not marked with the names. Oh, this is, they do have them marked with the names on the top now. This is called Fiesta Red, Fiesta Teal, and Fiesta Yellow. So now they have them marked with the names on here. Before, they've never had that. Not that I've noticed, I thought they didn't. And what is this? This looks like tissue. Surely it can't be tissue, but it feels like tissue. Oh wow, that feels different. It's paper, but it feels very thin. And it's very pretty paper. It's got some like threads running through it. They've got it in purple. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got some threads running through it. But it's very, very thin. I'm going to have to look that up and see what this paper is all about. Oh, how pretty. I love this ribbon that they've got this tied up with. Oh, this is beautiful. They've got it in 2 colors. Oh, wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is 2 ribbons. I thought it was 1 at first, but it's 2 different colors. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I love that. And these are the stamp sets for this month, and it's a Fiesta design. Oh, I'm going to love these. These are so stinking cute. I have to look at all the different ideas that everybody has had because these are going to be really cute. And there is a border die included in here along with the other dies. How cute is that? I love that die. It's beautiful. Gonna make some nice, clean and simple cards. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I didn't have to. I'm glad I didn't wait this month like I had no choice to wait last month. But I do have to figure out what this paper is all about so that I know how I'm going to use it. That thin paper and no watercolor. The instructions say blends nicely with other colors, dilute with water to lighten, and use straight from the bottle or with a paintbrush for fine detail work. Well, I'll be darned. I'll see how that works. I've never tried this before, and I see that they have other colors available too, but this was the one that they had as an add-on for the kit this month, so I figured I'd just give it a try and see how that works. But anyhow, that is all that I have for today. Thank you all for visiting and watching my videos. If you have any questions, please go ahead and put them down below, and I'll do my best to answer those questions for you. And I will be back at a later time to share more crafty videos with you. You all have a good day now. Bye.